Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sandeepa K, Assistant Professor in Commerce. Now I am going to present a lecture on the topic Indian Accounting Standards. In the last video, I explained important terms under Indian Accounting Standards. Now we shall know the meaning of accounting standards. Meaning and definition. Accounting standards are the written documents issued by the expert institutes or other regulatory bodies covering various aspects of measurement, treatment, presentation, and disclosure of accounting transactions. If you analyze this definition, you can come to the conclusion that accounting standards explains how to treat a particular transaction in books of accounts. It tells us about measurement of a transaction. It tells us about treatment of a particular transaction in the books of account. It tells us about presentation of financial statements, and it also explains about disclosure of accounting transactions. According to accounting standards, all material information should be disclosed in the books of accounts. Next, Indian Accounting Standards, Ind AS 1. Indian Accounting Standards, Ind AS 1. Meaning, Ind AS stands for Indian Accounting Standards and are converged standards for IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards, to ensure that globally accepted standards, IFRS, Indian accounting standards were adopted by the country and was made mandatory for selected companies. Indian accounting standard provides principles for recognition, measurement, treatment, presentation, and disclosure of accounting transactions in financial statement prepared as per Ind AS. If you analyze this definition, you can come to the conclusion that whatever changes made in international accounting standards or IFRS, that change adopted in Indian accounting standards. Next one, differences in Ind AS and existing accounting standard. Ind AS are a set of accounting standard notified by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs which are converged with IFRS. These accounting standards are formulated by Accounting Standard Board of Chartered Accountant of India. Now, India will have two sets of accounting standard, namely existing accounting standard under Companies Rules 2006. This is old version of accounting standard, and IFRS converged Ind AS. Ind AS is new version of accounting standard. The Ind AS are named and numbered in the same way as the corresponding IFRS. NACAS, NACAS, NACAS recommend these standard to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has to spell out the accounting standard applicable for companies in India. In India, we can see tremendous changes in the accounting standard. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಆಗಿರುವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಣ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಅದು ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ MCA ಮೂಲಕವಾಗಿಯೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು. MCA ಮೂಲಕವಾಗಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅವರ ಸಲಹೆಯ ಮೇರೆಗೆ MCA ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ತರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, objectives of accounting standards. Objectives of Indian accounting standards. Number 1, accounting standards are formulated with a view to harmonize different accounting policies and practices in use in a country. To harmonize the accounting policies and practices applicable or adopted in the country, Indian accounting standard formulated. In India, we can see several different accounting policies and practices followed. To harmonize different accounting policies and practices, Indian accounting standards formulated. Number 2, to reduce the accounting alternatives in the preparation of financial statement. Financial statement can be prepared in 2 or more ways. To reduce the alternatives in the preparation of financial statement, Indian accounting standards are formulated. Number 3, to comparability of financial statement of different enterprise. To compare the financial statements with another company, Indian accounting standards are formulated. Number 4, foster greater transferability and market discipline. To check the errors and frauds, to prevent the malpractices in the books of accounts, Indian accounting standards are formulated. Next one, number 5, help the regulatory agencies in benchmarking the accounting accuracies. Help the regulatory agencies in benchmarking the accounting accuracy. To satisfy the needs of income tax authority, commercial tax department, or any government agencies, it may be SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, or any other agencies, Indian accounting standards are formulated. Next, importance of Indian accounting standards. Accounting standards lay down uniform accounting policies and practices which are to be followed by all business enterprises in respect of particular transactions or events. Accounting standards lay down uniform accounting policies and practices which are to be followed by all business enterprises in respect of particular transactions or events. While recording a particular transaction, every company must and should follow one system of accounting, that is Indian accounting standards. Number 2, the financial statement of various business concerns are comparable. With the help of Indian accounting standards, we can compare the financial statement prepared by one company with other company. This leads to transparency in the books of accounts. Number 3, the financial statement would become more reliable. The financial statement prepared by the company which fulfills or satisfies the requirements of foreign investors as well as company, as well as employees of the company, as well as other regulatory agencies. And while lending money, the financial institution can rely upon the financial statement prepared by the company. Next one, accounting standards are scientific and rational. I already told you, Indian accounting standards formulated on the basis of changes made in the international accounting standards, namely IFRS. According to the suggestion given by the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, Ministry of Corporate Affairs MCA implemented several changes in the Indian accounting standards. The changes made in the accounting standards are more scientific and rational. Next one. Accounting standard would improve the credibility and reliability of accounting information. The financial statement prepared by the company with the help of accounting standard which improve the credibility and reliability of accounting information. Next one, accounting standard would raise the standard of auditing in its task of reporting on the financial statement. Normally, accounting standard definitely helps the audit work of the auditor, because all transactions recorded in the books of account as per the accounting standard laid down in India, which satisfies the requirements of the audit work. This leads to raise the standard of auditing in its task of reporting on the financial statement. Next one, accounting reports produced in accordance with the established accounting standard are regarded by government officials, tax authorities, etc. as a quite reliable and acceptable. The financial statement prepared as per accounting standard, which fulfills the needs of government authorities, tax authorities, namely Income Tax Department, Commercial Tax Department, Security Exchange Board of India, etc. The reports maintained by the company as per accounting standard also helps to get the financial assistance from the bank or any other financial institution. Next, last one, accounting standard would curb the unlimited flexibility in the adoption of accounting policies and practices. Accounting standard would curb the unlimited flexibility in the adoption of accounting policies and practices. Accounting standard definitely check the adoption of accounting policies and practices of the company. A company cannot adopt accounting policy and practices according to his wishes. For example, in case of selecting the method of depreciation to be selected according to accounting standard. Next, applicability of Indian accounting standards. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಫೇಸ್ 1, ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1st April 2016 if net worth is greater than or equal to rupees 500 crores. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ತ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು 500 ಕೋಟಿಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಿನಿಂದ? 1st April 2016. ಫೇಸ್ 2, Mandatory from 1st April 2017 if net worth is greater than or equal to rupees 250 crore but less than rupees 500 crores. 1st April 2017 ಇಂದ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಆ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ತ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು 250 ಕೋಟಿಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದು 500 ಕೋಟಿಯಿಂದ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ 1st April 2017 ಇಂದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ನಾನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್, NBFCs and insurance company from 1st April 2018 if net worth is more than or equal to 500 crore. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, NBFCs ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ತ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು 500 ಕ್ರೋರ್ಸಿಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ 1st April 2018 ನಿಂದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಡೆಫರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಿಸ್ತರಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ NBFC ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಈ ಡೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಿಸ್ತರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ 4 ಆಲ್ NBFC whose net worth is more than or equal to 250 crore or but 250 crore or but less than 500 crore mandatory from 1st April 2019. 1st April 2019 ನಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಾನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅದರ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ತ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು 250 ಕೋಟಿ ಅಥವಾ 250 ಕೋಟಿಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದು 500 ಕೋಟಿಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಿನಿಂದ? 1st April 2019. These are some information relating to Ind AS. Thank you.